Hello, let me show you how you can use camera Pro mode on your Realme 11. So first you have to go for the more modes and open the Pro mode. And right here you've got the option to simply adjust a lot of parameters. For example, at the first we can find the ISO level. Next we can find the shutter speed. Right here we've got the exposure compensation. Here we've got the focus range. And this place we can find the white balance. Next we can switch this photo format between the JPG and the RAW. Right here we can also enable this camera delay between 3 or 10 seconds. And right here we've got also option to turn on the flashlight. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.